How to order on Zara. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can place an order on Zara application. To do so, first of all, open your Zara application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, find the product that you'd like to order. You may also tap on this search bar at the bottom. And then in this page you can type in the keyword for your product. Now search for it. Here scroll down to find the product that you would like to order. Once you find the product, you will need to tap on it and here inside it you will be able to see this add button. Go ahead and tap on this add button and now it will be add to your cart. Once it has been added to your cart, you can tap on this cart icon at the top right or you may also come to this home screen and then tap on this cart icon at the bottom next to menu. Once you have tapped on this icon, now you will be taken to the shopping bag or this cart section. From here you can now proceed to checkout. Here you can increase the quantity of your product and at the bottom you will be able to see the amount that you need to pay in order to place an order. After reviewing all this information, tap on this buy button right here and then you will need to choose the payment method there. And once you complete this process, you will be able to place an order on Zara. So this is how you can order on Zara application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.